SparkContext Error, file not found /tmp/spark events does not exist. Running a Python Spark application via API call. On submitting the application, response failed. SSH into the worker. My Python application exists in. Error can be found in. Show the following error. It indicates /tmp/spark events does not exist, which is true. However, in wordcount.py,
/tmp/spark events is the location that Spark store the events logs. Just create this directory in the master machine and you're set.
While trying to set up my Spark history server on my local machine, I had the same file /tmp/spark events does not exist error. I had customized my log directory to a non-default path. To resolve this, I needed to do two things. Edit $spark_home/conf/sparkdefaults.conf. Add these two lines. spark.history.fs.log directory /mycustomder. spark.eventlog.enable true. Create a link from /tmp/spark events to /mycustomder. lnfs/tmp/spark events /mycustomder. Ideally, step 1 would have solved my issue entirely, but I still needed to create the link, so I suspect there might have been one other setting I missed. Anyhow, once I did this, I was able to run my history server and see new jobs logged in my WebWe.
I just created a TMP Spark events on the master node and then distributed it to other nodes on the cluster to work. My sparkdefault.conf.
Use spark.eventlog.dir for client/driver program. And use spark.history.fs.log directory for history server. As mentioned in How to Enable Spark History Server for Standalone Cluster Non-HDFS Mode, at least as per Spark version 2.2.1.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.